Welcome, amazing ladies and gorgeous women, to my new video. Today, I present to you a captivating video showcasing incredible ideas. Prepare to be amazed by the beauty, elegance, and attraction of these pixie haircut ideas that are sure to capture your heart. So, ladies and women, get ready to embark on a journey filled with the enchantment of these hairstyles. Are you ready to be inspired? This year, we bring you the hottest trend in pixie haircuts, tailored exclusively for you. These styles are meticulously crafted to make a lasting impression, leaving you feeling confident and utterly fabulous. And prepare for an incredible hair transformation. Ladies, get ready to witness the utter beauty and elegance of these pixie haircuts. Each style is a masterpiece, designed to make you fall head over heels in love with them. From modern to elegant, this collection offers something for everyone. Oh, and don't worry if English is not your first language. I apologize if my English is not perfect, but fashion is a universal language that transcends words. Just marvel at the shine, sophistication, and sheer elegance of these hairstyles. They are tailored to make you feel like a fashionista. These ideas will elevate your style game to new heights, empowering you with confidence and grace. Embrace the most stunning you have ever laid your eyes upon. Now let's delve into the kingdom of the extraordinary charm that grayish, whitish, blackish, and brownish colors front upon your hairs. Picture the luster that awaits as your hair embraces these breathtaking colors. The fusion of black and grey evokes a timeless attraction, exuding sophistication and a touch of enchantment. These are the embodiment of hairstyling ideas reserved exclusively for your delights. Grayish color, whitish color, blackish color, and brownish color. These are just a few of the magnificent colors that can enhance these hairstyles. The right hair color has the power to transform your hair in depth and dimension to your haircut. These carefully chosen shades complement your features. I apologize for any background noise you may hear. Please bear with me, and I promise it will not decrease the enjoyment of this video. Prepare to be astonished by the transformation. These pixie cuts have the ability to take years of your appearance, giving you a fresh and gorgeous look. Until next time, take care and stay stylish. See you soon.